If your SketchUp export is failing, stalling, freezing, or crashing on desktop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common export error fixes for SketchUp step by step so you can get your PNG, JPG, TIF, DIWG, STL, or OBJ exports working again without wasting time guessing. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical SketchUp tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, let's talk about 2D graphic exports like PNG, JPG, or TIF. If you go to File, then Export, then 2D graphic, and the export fails, one of the biggest causes is the resolution setting. By default, SketchUp may export at view size, but if you unchain the aspect ratio and type in a huge custom size, like 10,000 pixels or more, your graphics card can struggle and SketchUp may crash with a BugSplat error. The simple fix is to open the Options button inside the Export dialog and reduce the width to something more reasonable, like 4,000 to 5,000 pixels. For most screens and even many print uses, that is more than enough detail. If the export is still giving you trouble, try turning off anti-alias in the same Options menu. Anti-aliasing improves edge smoothness, but it can also increase the load on your GPU during export, so disabling it can sometimes make the process finish successfully. Next, let's move to 3D model exports such as DWG, STL, or OBJ. If you're going to File, Export, 3D model, and the export is failing or coming out empty, the first thing to check is whether your model is actually ready for that export type. For STL exports, which are commonly used for 3D printing, the model usually needs to be a solid group or a solid component. Right-click your object and open Entity Info. If SketchUp only says group, that can cause export problems because the software may not be able to clearly determine the inside and outside of the mesh. So if you need a solid export, make sure your geometry is watertight and properly made into a solid before exporting. If you're exporting to DWG, another issue is version compatibility. Just like importing, exporting to the newest DWG format can cause errors if the other software is older or less compatible. In the export options, try setting the AutoCAD version to 2018 or even 2013. That often improves stability and makes the file easier for other programs to open. If the export works after changing the version, then you know the issue was format compatibility rather than the model itself. Now let's cover permission and file path issues because these cause a lot of export failures and they're easy to overlook. Desktop SketchUp can be sensitive to the folder you're saving into. If you're exporting directly into a cloud-synced folder like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, the syncing process can lock the file while SketchUp is still trying to write it. That can lead to failed exports, partial files, or silent errors. The better approach is to export first to a local folder like your desktop or documents folder and then move the file into your cloud storage afterward. That simple change fixes a lot of export problems immediately. Another thing to check is whether SketchUp has permission to write to the folder you're using. If the application doesn't have the proper access rights, the export may fail without giving you a very clear explanation. A quick test is to close SketchUp. Right-click the SketchUp icon and choose Run as administrator. If the export works after that, then the issue is likely related to write permissions rather than the model or exporter settings. Finally, if you're using SketchUp 2026, there's one more important troubleshooting step. The new graphics engine can sometimes conflict with the export process, especially if your GPU driver is outdated. In that case, the handshake between the graphics engine and the exporter can break, causing the export to freeze or crash. To test this, go to Window, then Preferences, then Graphics. Switch the engine to Classic, restart SketchUp, and try the export again. If it suddenly works in Classic mode, that's a strong sign that your graphics driver needs to be updated. In that case, go to NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and install the latest driver for your system. So to quickly recap, if a 2D export is crashing, lower the resolution and try disabling anti-aliasing. If a 3D export is failing, check whether your STL is a proper solid and confirm the DWG version. If the export still won't work, save to a local folder instead of a synced cloud folder and test administrator permissions. And if you're on SketchUp 2026, try switching the graphics engine to Classic and updating your GPU drivers if needed. I hope this helped you solve your SketchUp export error. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more SketchUp troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.